Hello! In this video I will show you step by step how to set up a proxy in the Proxifier program so that you can work with the BlueStacks gaming platform and your real IP address won't be detected and will be hidden in BlueStacks. I have already installed Proxifier and BlueStacks on my computer, and I recommend you to do that. Now I will show you how to configure the proxy correctly. First, close BlueStacks if this program is open now. The setup starts with setting the proxy in Proxifier. Launch Proxifier. In the upper left corner, click on Profile. In the pop-up menu, you need to select Proxy Servers. A window opens in which you can set new or edit existing proxies. I don't have any proxy set yet. If you have the same, then click on Add. In the window that opens, in the top two fields, set the IP and port of your proxy. Lower, select which protocol you are using, SAX5, SAX4 or HTTPS. If your proxy is free, then nothing else is needed, and if it is a personal one and you need to set a login and password, then check the box next to Enable in the authentication field below. The fields for entering the login and password of the proxy become active. Enter. After you have entered everything, click on Check below to check the entered proxy for operability. If after checking you see the red text "Test failed", this means that either you entered something incorrectly or your proxy is inoperative. This happens if you use free proxies. Therefore, for reliable operation, it is recommended to purchase a personal proxy. You can purchase a personal proxy on the Proxies.io. The support service will help you choose the right proxy for your tasks, as well as provide round-the-clock support. With such proxy, your work on the network will be guaranteed anonymously and secure, and you can be sure that such proxies will definitely work with the Proxifier. When you have entered a working proxy, an inscription will appear on the screen stating that the proxy is operational and you can use it. Click OK. The program will offer to use the entered proxy by default for all programs. Click Yes. Done. The proxy is set, and now we need to launch BlueStacks and check which geolocation is displayed in the program. Launch BlueStacks. When you run the program, you can go to the Proxifier and see that BlueStacks is now in the working field, which means that the specified proxy will work with it. Go to BlueStacks. On the right, find the location setting menu. Press it. As you can see, the program determines your location according to the specified proxy, and this means that in BlueStacks, IP address has changed and now you can safely work with the gaming platform. Everything is set and working. Enjoy it. But also do not forget that in this way you set a proxy for the entire system when working with Proxifier. And if you need to use a proxy exclusively for BlueStacks and not using the specified proxy for other programs and applications, then you need to create a rule in Proxifier. How to do it I will show you now. Go to Proxifier, choose Profile, next Proxification Rules. Click on Add. From above you can set the name of the rule. In the application section, you need to select the file from the BlueStacks root folder on your PC, hdplayer.exe. Select it in the appropriate folder on your computer. If you select another file, including BlueStacks.exe, then BlueStacks will not be proxified, and this is definitely not what you need. Below, in the Action section, in the pop-up menu, select the previously defined proxy. When everything is entered, click OK. As you can see, now only the BlueStacks program uses a proxy, and all other programs do not use the proxy you set in Proxifier. That's all. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like. Bye.